A judge is set to rule tomorrow in a case that could allow anyone to request a mail-in ballot for any reason in Tennessee, including if they're afraid of catching COVID-19 at their polling location. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb listened to the arguments today, some of which even caught the judge by surprise.
Mr. Seaman, if you would open court, please.
In court arguments over Zoom today, state elections officials said if vote by mail is expanded throughout the state because of COVID-19 concerns, thousands of voters would likely have their votes thrown out. Their reason? Because voters would be confused by ballot instructions and make a mistake without an in-person poll worker to help them.
And we can't help them with the same type of machine prompts and poll worker assistance that's happening when you go to an election site.
But attorneys for those suing to expand absentee voting say it's up to each voter to pay attention while voting, especially if they chose not to go to a polling place for fear of catching the coronavirus.
They can decide to carefully fill out their absentee ballot to minimize the risk of accidental disenfranchisement, as opposed to the risk of being forced to go to a COVID-19 infested polling place.
The state says if Chancellor Ellen Hobbs-Lyle rules that all registered voters can request to vote by mail, it would print enough ballots for every registered voter, even though the state's own experts say that's not necessary because of voter turnout rates. The chancellor questioned that reasoning in court today.
So I just want to make sure I understand it.
Your Honor, Tennessee officials are not going to risk having anyone who's capable of voting absentee not have a ballot. So yes, we will prepare for 4.3 ballots per election for 1.4 million registered voters for both August and November, because we don't have these data.
All right, so you're telling me you would spend that money. All right.
The chancellor says she will have her decision on whether to expand vote by mail by tomorrow. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.